Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground, and today we're checking out my new bike transport bag by CamGo. This is the Rhino Wall transport bag, and it's used for 20-inch folding bikes. Well, convenient for you and me, I had a 20-inch folding Zizzo bike, and I wanted a bag that helped me to transport it and protect it, and I found this bag and I thought I'd test it out. So let's take a bit of a closer look. Okay, so they call these bags wear and water resistant, and the wear is on the outside because this is a thick canvas that's really going to protect your bicycle whether you're transporting it in the rain or you're throwing it in the bed of a truck or the trunk of a car. The water resistant is not just on the outside, but also on the inside. There's a secondary lining in here that's going to help stop the water from going through this outer canvas and getting to your bicycle. So not only is your bike protected from the elements, but it's also protected from the human factor. These zippers here are really heavy duty. These are thick zippers, so they're going to stand up to the weight of the bicycle. Now my bike is about 27 pounds, and it's much easier to carry it in this bag than it is to grab the side of it and toss it around. Now while I love this bag, and there is a lot to love about it, there's one thing I don't like. I do wish it was a little bit taller. I could have bought a bigger one, but it wouldn't fit as snugly around the bike. This setup doesn't allow me to leave my seat on the bike. So all I have to do is release the seat, take it out, and I drop it into the gap of the fold. Then I zip it up and I'm ready to go. Now the bag does have adjustable straps and also has an outer pocket, so if you want to put something in there, let's say some money or your keys, you can do that. And these straps are long enough so that I can go ahead and throw it over my shoulder, and it makes it much easier to carry than trying to carry it by handle. But what you always want to know is, would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, we're absolutely buying this again. My wife has a folding bike and we need to go ahead and get it packed for hers. We love the CamGo Rhino Wall one, so we're going to go ahead and buy a second one for hers. The material on this is fantastic. The zippers are great. The extendable handles works perfectly for throwing over your shoulder, and the additional little pack that comes with it that you can hook to your handlebars and put the bag into while you're riding your bike is an absolute bonus. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.